Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TeraBox slow download speed. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're experiencing slow download speeds in TeraBox, it can be frustrating, especially when you need to access large files quickly. So, in order to fix slow download speed in TeraBox, you have to follow these steps. First, check your internet connection. Slow downloads are often caused by weak Wi-Fi or mobile data signals, so make sure you are connected to a stable and strong network. If possible, switch to a faster Wi-Fi connection or use a wired connection for more consistent speed. Next, ensure that your TeraBox app is updated to the latest version. Older versions of the app may have bugs or performance issues that can slow down downloads. Open your App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates for TeraBox. After updating, restart the app to make sure changes take effect. Clearing the app cache can also help. Simply open up your phone settings, scroll down and click on Apps option. Here look for TeraBox app and select it once it is found. Now go to storage section. Here first tap on clear cache and then you have to click on clear data, confirm it by tapping delete. It can improve app performance and fix slow downloads caused by temporary data buildup. Additionally, avoid downloading multiple large files at the same time, as this can divide your bandwidth and reduce download speed. If you're using a mobile device, make sure background apps are closed and that data saver or low power mode is turned off, as these settings can throttle download speed. For desktop users, check that your firewall or antivirus is not restricting TeraBox downloads. Sometimes adding TeraBox as an exception in your firewall or antivirus settings can significantly improve speed. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider reinstalling the app. Uninstalling and reinstalling TeraBox can fix corrupted files or incorrect settings that might be slowing down downloads. After reinstalling, log back into your account and try downloading again. Following these steps should help improve your download speed, allowing you to access your TeraBox files faster and more efficiently. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix TeraBox slow download speed. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.